Today, we're diving into the world of tech and exploring a topic that's been making headlines.
Buckle up, everybody. We're diving headfirst into the future of tech. It's January 2025, and you know what that means?
Galaxy Unpacked.
Galaxy Unpacked, exactly. Samsung just dropped a whole bunch of shiny new devices, and we're here to break it all down for you.
We've been poring over this report, Galaxy Unpacked 2025, everything announced at the January event, and let me tell you.
It's a lot to unpack.
It's a lot. And it's clear that Samsung is going all in on this vision of like a seamless tech experience, like everything just works together.
Yeah, no, I'm seeing that too. Okay, so first up, let's talk about the star of the show. I mean, you know what it is.
The Z Fold 6.
The Z Fold 6.
Yeah.
Get this, it folds twice. Twice!
I know. It's mind-blowing. It's like they took a tablet and somehow crammed it into something the size of a credit card.
How is that even possible?
Apparently, they're using this new micro gear hinge system.
Okay.
So it folds smoother, it's supposed to be way more durable, and get this, you can run multiple apps simultaneously on different sections of the screen.
Wait, hold on. So, like, I could have my email open on one part of the screen, my calendar on another.
Exactly, and then like a YouTube video playing on another.
Oh, okay. Now, remember when foldable phones first came out? Everyone was worried about, the screens being super fragile.
Oh, yeah. Like one drop and it's shattered.
Exactly. But Samsung seems to have tackled that head on.
Oh, absolutely. This Z Fold 6 uses ultra-thin glass that's somehow both flexible and super strong.
Strong enough to survive, like being in my purse.
I think so, yeah. Plus, the display is incredible. Near perfect color accuracy, brightness that adjusts to wherever you are.
That's impressive. Now, alongside the Fold 6, they also announced the Z Flip 6.
Right, and that seems to be aimed at a totally different crowd.
Yeah, like the fashion-conscious, on-the-go type.
Exactly. It's all about style and portability with this one. The cover screen is bigger now, basically a mini smartphone.
Oh, so you can do, like, quick tasks without even opening it up.
Yeah, like check notifications, control your music, stuff like that.
Smart. Okay, Samsung is hitting all the bases with these foldables. But they didn't stop there. Let's talk about the Galaxy S25 series.
Oh yeah, the powerhouse phones. They're claiming a 30% boost in processing power compared to last year's models.
That's a big jump.
Huge. It means this thing can handle 8K video editing on the go.
Whoa. That's nuts. Remember when we used to need, like, massive computers for that?
I know, right? It's crazy how far we've come.
Crazy. Now, Samsung also made a big deal about AI, like how it's integrated into basically everything.
Oh yeah, it's in the camera, the health monitoring, everything.
So what does that actually look like? Give me an example.
Okay, so let's say you're taking a picture with the S25 camera. The AI automatically adjusts all the settings.
Oh, so I don't have to mess around with all the different modes and stuff.
Exactly. Figures out the lighting, the composition, and boom, perfect shot every time.
That's pretty cool. Now, I also got to mention the Galaxy Watch 8. I mean, it just looks so sleek.
Oh, it's beautiful. But it's the integration with Samsung's smart home ecosystem that really blows my mind.
Okay, tell me more about that.
Imagine this. You're heading home from work, right? You can use your watch to preheat the oven.
From my watch.
From your watch. Adjust the thermostat, even turn on the lights, all before you even walk in the door.
That's next level.
Right. Total home control from your wrist.
All this stuff sounds incredible, but I got to ask, is it all going to be easy to use? I mean, for the average person?
That's a good point. I mean, Samsung is really pushing for intuitive interfaces, but yeah, it's a lot of new technology, a lot of interconnectedness.
It's a whole new world.
Exactly. It'll be interesting to see how people adapt to it.
All right, so we've got foldable phones pushing the boundaries, a supercharged S-series, a watch that's basically a remote control for your life. What's the biggest takeaway here?
I think Samsung is making a bold statement about the future. The seamless integration of devices, it's powerful, but it also raises some big questions.
Like what?
Like data security, privacy. As our lives become more and more intertwined with tech, we got to be careful. We got to be aware of the potential risks.
It's a really good point. Food for thought for sure. Well, folks, that's our deep dive into the future of tech, courtesy of Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked 2025. We'll be back soon to, well, unpack even more tech news. Stay tuned.